So I haven't done a shoe unboxing in a while because I haven't really been buying any sneakers. The last pair of sneakers I bought, I think, was my last sneaker unboxing with the Beyonce Adidas Ivy Park Super Sleek 72s. I'm a New Balance lover. These are my first pair of New Balances, 574s, black and white. I love these shoes. Look at the condition, right? You see the condition. I've had these shoes since the beginning of 8th grade. For reference, I'm about to graduate college in May. I'm about to graduate college in May. So I've had these shoes for nearing 10 years. I've had these shoes for a very long time. Like, I've been on New Balances because I know New Balances has some type of resurgence a little bit in like the past 2 or 3 years. So I've been on, and they're still hold up and they still look good because I take care of my shoes and they're just still comfortable. Like, I think New Balances are so reliable. Then I got my second pair several years later in 2021 with the JADENSMITH New Balances. There's an unboxing on my channel for these, and the Trippy Summer pair, which I don't currently have with me because they're at my place in DC. I love platform shoes. I went on newbalance.com during Black Friday with no intentions on buying anything, but what can I say? I'm a shopaholic. I'm about to unbox the New Balance 574 Plus black with rain cloud and white sneakers. So it's basically like the older cousin of these shoes that I've had for years, and they still function really well. I just want a little bit more height because I love platform shoes, but I also want like a nice comfy shoe to walk in because those Adidas Ivy Park shoes, very platform, not the most comfortable. Oh my gosh. Alright, so this is the first thing I see. These retail for $100, but I got them for $80. With shipping and everything was $86. Alright, alright. I'm about to do the best part. I'm about to open the box. We're greeted with wrapping paper. They're so beautiful. Okay, first thing I see is the shoe. Look at that. Oh my gosh. They're beautiful. Look how crispy they look. Oh my days. It's a baggie with some black laces attached. Second shoe. Oh, so gorgeous, so beautiful. Here they are next to their grandfather. These have black laces on them. Wow. Really nice box. I'm tempted to keep it, but I'm notorious to not keep a shoebox because I just think it takes up too much space. Now for the second most important part, the try-on.
I know what I'm doing.
Are the shoes focused?
Yes.
Boy, them hoes clean! Boy, you stink!
I have been enjoying the shoes like I knew I would have. I love New Balances, 10 out of 10. Can't wait to wear these more in the new year. Thanks for watching.